So you're having a hard time keeping your bike up at slow speeds. Don't worry, you don't have to settle for a trike. Retract-a-Trike gives you the stability of a trike or the feel of a motorcycle. Here's how it works. With the flip of a switch, you can go from a two-wheeler to a trike. It's that simple. Instead of putting your feet down, flip a switch to lock in stability and lock out the embarrassment of dropping your bike. Once you get rolling, unlock the wheels and enjoy two-wheeled handling, which is why you started riding in the first place. Now you can use the wheels instead of your feet when you start and stop. With Retract-a-Trike, a computer doesn't make the decisions for you. You're in control. Retract-a-Trike provides stability even in the worst conditions like stop-and-go traffic or soft sandy roads. Plus, an alarm sounds if you accidentally put the switch down while riding. The wheels will not lock at speeds over 18 miles per hour. Retract-a-Trike fits these Honda motorcycles. Illusion or custom colors cost extra. Call us for a quote. Still not sure if Retract-a-Trike is for you? Then check out the price. For about half the cost of a trike, Retract-a-Trike offers you the best of both worlds. There's no need to trade in your bike for a trike. Give Trike Alternatives a call and let us help you stay on your bike.